Hi, welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. So for this video, gawa tayo na endless energy check para sa may mga sun, moon, at rising na Gemini. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. At gagamitin natin si The Star Seed Oracle. Gemini, kamusta ka nga ba? So we have here big picture thinking, ladies energy, visionary, and inspired ideas. Good boy, bakit mo kailangan i-box yung sarili mo into this only thing? Parang andoon na para ka naging kabayo na meron kayong nilagay dito, yung parang taluka para ang nakikita lang nasa harapan. Yes, maganda yon that you are goal-oriented, you are focused in what you are targeting, meron kang destination na view, but you are looking only sa maliit na funnel. Alam mo, kailangan mong tanggalin yun eh. Kasi the universe is doing a lot of big things. Kaya di ba nga, minsan yung mga litrato, minsan alam na, pag kalahati na nakikita natin, hindi natin nakukuha yung bigger picture, hindi natin nakukuha yung pinaka-story. It's time for you to look outside of the box. It's time for you to venture doon sa mga bagay na before parang it was na, ay, hindi muna, next time na lang. It's time for that next time to be now. It's time na ibigay mo na yung sarili mo doon sa mga bigger dreams mo na matagal mo nang nilagay sa likod ng utak mo. Well, age is not an issue eh. Even time, hindi siya issue. Resources is not an issue. The issue here is ikaw, naglilimit ka sa sarili mo. It's time to go on an adventure. It's time for you to open yourself to new learnings. Oras naman na para indulge mo yung sarili mo. But of course, indulgement with responsibility. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo, and I hope to see you on our next video.